topic is population explosion.
Respected judges and teacher, all my dear friends, good evening. Today my topic is population explosion. Population explosion is the most serious problem faced by our country today. With 60% of the world population, India is today. With 60% of the world population, India is today the second largest population country in the world. The country's population is currently estimated at about 950 million. The population growth has been extremely rapid in the last 50 years. The phenomenal growth is now more appropriately termed as population explosion. The phenomenal growth rate in population is large because of the industrial and technological revolutions that had taken place in the recent times. The new technologies have not only brought down the rate because vastly improved medical, resulting in increasing life expectancies, but had also facilitated increased food production to take care of food needs of the increasing population. Though population explosion is a major problem being faced by several other countries with the world population estimated to reach 7 billion, the problem is much more severe in India because of the increasing pressure on the limited resources of the country. The phenomenal population growth pressure on other basic necessities like education, health, housing, clothing, employment opportunities, etc. As employment opportunities in rural areas are becoming scarce. Population explosion. The resulting revelation and this multiplying the problem in the rural areas. Health is the first casualty in population. Thank you for listening.